Hey everyone, I'm Will, and today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect way of sauteing up some fiddleheads. But before that, remember to like and subscribe and comment down below, and don't forget to press that notification bell down below. If you want to start foraging for yourself, go down in the description, click the link to my website, and go get the starter pack for foraging for all the books and equipment you need to get out in the woods to get all your food and medicine today. Okay, so we have a full bowl of fiddleheads. So it's a nice basic sized fiddlehead bowl, but it's not just the fiddleheads because I picked these myself. I go with the stalks too. The stalks, almost you eat them just like green beans. And the size of the fiddleheads in the patch that I go to, because it's like determined on the size of the river that you're on, is a small river will have smaller fiddleheads of the heads itself. Then a large river will have large fiddleheads. So I'm going to use the whole stuff. I recommend if you pick them yourself, don't leave the stalks. Eat the stalks, they taste fantastic. So as of right now, you want to turn the stove basically on high, just real quick, for a short period of time to get the stove up and warm. And then you're going to be using some ghee. Some ghee is clarified butter, and we're going to turn this into brown butter. Ghee does not burn, and so the milk solids are basically taken out, and you don't burn it. It's easier to make brown butter, and brown butter comes to a point of bringing out a nice nutty flavor. So have like a big nice spoonful of ghee and just let that melt. When it starts actually of the ghee starting to like change color and starting to brown, that's the moment when you want to turn it right down to like medium low and throw right at that moment the fiddleheads directly into the pan. So it's starting to change a little bit of a color to it, and this is the moment when you want to like turn it right down nice and low and get the fiddleheads directly in the pan and get them all flat through the base of it. And at this moment you want to add some balsamic vinegar, some low sodium soy sauce, and some freshly cracked black pepper to taste. I like black pepper. You want to add about a tablespoon, half tablespoon to a tablespoon of honey, and mix it right up. And let this cook for a bit. You want to like basically soften the fiddleheads, but you can eat fiddleheads. You don't want to like just overcook them. Imagine just like a green bean, where a little bit of al dente, it is perfect. So a good way to check to see if they're done is just like checking for like really any food is push on it a little bit, like with the spatula, and if it's softened but not softened fully, because we're going for a little bit of al dente, a little crunch to it, it's ready to go. So turn the stove right off and put it right on a plate. And then finish it off with some Parmesan Reggiano. This looks fantastic. It smells amazing too. Let's try it. Got that little crunch to it. A really good vegetal flavor. I'm getting faint flavors of like green beans in there. Think of very faint of asparagus. Asparagus is also a type of fern, if you want to know that. And this is an amazing dish. I recommend going out and finding the fiddleheads, that you can also have the stalks, because the stalks make it even that much better. This is good. And that's how you make the perfect way to saute up some fiddleheads. If you want to see more, go down in the description below, click the link to my channel, or press the round subscribe button to help me out to get to 10,000 subscribers. And next time, remember to get outside, get fresh air, and have fun. See ya.